If you're looking for a bold statement for your winter fashion game, this DIY fashion hack will have you looking sparkly and luxurious without sewing a stitch. With the Aleene's Rhinestone Adhesive and some shiny appliques, you'll be ready to hit the slopes in style. Here's what you'll need: fur-trimmed hat and mittens, Aleene's Rhinestone Adhesive, straight pins, rhinestone appliques, cardboard, and waxed paper. Before you begin, place cardboard covered with waxed paper inside the hat and mittens. Decide where you want to position the appliques for the best design by placing the rhinestone appliques on the hat and mittens where you think they look the best. Lift the rhinestone applique off the hat and apply an even coat of Aleene's Rhinestone Adhesive to the back of the applique. Carefully place the applique onto the hat and press with your fingers to ensure the glue is adhering the rhinestone applique to the fibers in the hat. Pin in place to hold until the glue is set. Repeat the process on each of the mittens, being sure the glue is adhering on all the sides of the rhinestone appliques. Let the glue set for 1 hour before removing the pins. Allow the glue to set for 24 hours to completely cure before removing the cardboard, and then they're ready to wear. Who knew that all you needed was Aleene's Rhinestone Adhesive to create this unique, eye-catching winter hat and mitten set for the holidays?